Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and fix Roblox not loading on iPhone or Android. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. To fix Roblox not loading on iPhone or Android, start by force closing and restarting the app and your phone. And then check your Wi-Fi/airplane mode if it is enabled, and if Wi-Fi is not available, that is also going to be a big problem. Ensure your app and OS are updated by heading into your App Store or Play Store and then simply going ahead and searching for Roblox. And if it has an update, it's simply going to say update right over here. So once you've done that, try clearing the app's cache on Android or just reinstalling on iPhone for a fresh start. Also, checking for Roblox service or servers outages is also important. I hope this video made everything clear to you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.